Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Zelle so they can no longer send you payment requests or money. To get started, open your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Zelle section. Next, tap on Activity, Contacts, or Recipients depending on how your app is set up. Find the person you want to block and tap on their name to open their contact details. In the contact details screen, look for an option that says Block, Block Contact, or Report. Tap on that option to continue. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Confirm that you want to block the contact. Once blocked, that person will no longer be able to send you Zelle requests or payments. If you're using Zelle through a bank app and don't see a block option, you can usually remove the recipient instead. Go to Settings, select Recipients, tap the contact, and remove them. This prevents future transactions with that person. If someone is repeatedly sending unwanted requests or you believe there's fraud involved, contact your bank or Zelle support directly for additional protection. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you block someone on Zelle, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.